Alright, so I'm Cadet Reed, and this is my English 101 presentation. We're going to start off by video.
America is the greatest country in the world.
Hi, my name is Jenny. I'm a sophomore, and this is for all three of you.
Can you say in one sentence or less what, you know what I mean? Can you say why America is the greatest country in the world?
Diversity and opportunity.
Lewis, freedom and freedom. So let's keep it that way. Well, the New York Jets. No, I'm going to hold you to an answer on that. What makes America the greatest country in the world?
Well, Lewis and Sharon said, diversity and opportunity and freedom and freedom.
I'm not letting you go back to the airport without answering a question.
Well, our Constitution is a masterpiece. James Madison was a genius. The Declaration of Independence is, for me, the single greatest piece of American writing. You don't look satisfied.
One's a set of laws and the other's a declaration of war. I want a human moment from you. What about the people? Why is
It's not the
America
greatest country in the world, Professor. That's my answer.
Alright, so we're going over the fact that the United States is not the greatest country in the world. I'm going to use three giant factors to prove my point, being education, economy, and the environment. Start off with education. These are some small facts you can find. We have the 17th highest education system in the world, which goes down from our original 9th place about 15 years ago. So we lost about 8 places behind countries like Japan, China, Thailand, South Korea. We're the 7th highest in literacy, 27th in math, 22nd in science, and these bottom 3 rankings are out of the 30 countries and the OECD. We go from the 5th most educated country in the age group of 25 to 64-year-olds to 14th most educated country in the age group of 14 to 24, which is our age group right now. Obviously, we need to make strides in having higher levels of education because we keep falling back. Year by year, we fall back 1 spot, 2 spot, 3 spot. Eventually, we're not going to be in the top 20 in any of these. Next, we're going to go look at the economy. As you can see, out of 216 countries, and these are the countries that we can actually get takings on, like we can actually get inside, our GDP growth rate is 169th, which we do have a high GDP, obviously, but the fact is, if it only keeps growing by 1.9 each year, we're going to get surpassed. Our budget is 192nd out of these 216 countries. It's pretty awful, and we are ranked dead last in net trade. And just put it in scope, we're 10th in economic freedom, and this is a copy of our debt clock. You can see how it just keeps going, keeps going. Our U.S. national debt is right here. I mean, it grows exponentially every second, and it's the highest in the world. Next, we'll go with the environment. The big part of our class was based off the environment. That's what we did our last paper on. I personally did my paper on CO2 emissions and how it could impact Earth in a positive manner, but we all know that CO2 emissions really